How can I view the search history on my Wi-Fi bill?
Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how you can view the search history on your Wi-Fi bill. This is a common question that many people have, so we thought it would be helpful to provide a step-by-step guide. Stay tuned to learn how to access this information and gain insights into your Wi-Fi usage.
Understanding your Wi-Fi bill.
Before we dive into the process of viewing your search history, let's briefly discuss what your Wi-Fi bill typically includes. A Wi-Fi bill usually contains details about your internet service, such as the monthly charges, data usage, and other important information related to your account. Keep in mind that the specific layout and details may vary depending on your internet service provider.
Contacting your internet service provider.
To access your search history on the Wi-Fi bill, the first step is to contact your internet service provider, ISP. The ISP is responsible for managing your internet connection and billing details. Reach out to their customer support department, either through a phone call or an online chat, and inquire about the process of viewing your search history on the bill. They will be able to provide you with the necessary information and guidance.
Enabling search history tracking.
Once you have contacted your ISP, they may inform you that the search history is not directly visible on the bill. In many cases, ISPs do not include a detailed list of websites visited or search queries made on the bill itself. However, they may offer alternative ways to access this information. One common method is by enabling search history tracking through your ISP's online portal or mobile app. Here are the general steps you can follow. 1. Log in to your ISP's online portal or open their mobile app. 2. Navigate to the Account Settings or Preferences section. 3. Look for an option related to search history or browsing activity. 4. Enable the search history tracking feature if available. 5. Save the changes and exit the settings. Enabling this feature will allow your ISP to track and store your search history data for a certain period of time. Remember that the specific steps may vary depending on your ISP, so it's always a good idea to consult their documentation or contact their support team for precise instructions.
Accessing search history data.
Once you have enabled search history tracking, you can access the data through your ISP's online portal or mobile app. Follow these general steps to view your search history. 1. Log in to your ISP's online portal or open their mobile app. 2. Navigate to the search history or browsing activity section. 3. You should see a list of your recent search queries or websites visited. 4. Some ISPs provide filters or search options to help you narrow down the results. 5. Explore the data and analyze your search history as needed. Again, it's important to note that the specific process and interface may vary depending on your ISP. Make sure to consult their documentation or contact their support team for precise instructions on accessing your search history data. Congratulations! You've learned how to view the search history on your Wi-Fi bill. Although the information may not be directly visible on the bill itself, many internet service providers offer options to enable search history tracking and access the data through their online portals or mobile apps. Remember to reach out to your ISP's customer support if you need assistance or have any further questions. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.